afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you feeling today?
Fine, and you?
Not bad, thanks.
So, what can I do for you?
I want to ask you some questions about the most well-known social network, Facebook. Do you mind?
No, not at all.
By the way, do you know Facebook?
Sure, if we know about it.
Do you have account for it?
Yes, of course. How about you?
Yes, I have to. When did you start to join it?
Several years ago. I don't remember when.
Why did you decide to join it?
I don't know actually, but I like getting it in touch with other people around the world.
How many friends do you have?
Well, I don't know, but more than 100 I think.
Do you post a few status every day?
No, not every day. Only when I have time. However, I always enjoy posting a new status.
Do you think Facebook is necessary?
Well, I think so.
Why?
As I told you before, we could get in touch with other people around the world.
What do you think other media other than Facebook?
There are several kinds like Twitter, Yahoo Messenger, Google Talk, and Skype.
Which one do you join?
I join Facebook and Yahoo Messenger.
Which do you think is better, Facebook or Twitter?
They are just the same. However, I like the Facebook better.
What is the benefit of joining Facebook?
I can share ideas and make friends with other people around the world.
What are the bad things of joining Facebook?
Many people do not like this network. It was a time sentence.
Do your parents agree with you when you join Facebook?
Yes, I think so.
Why?
They join Facebook too.
Do you like to comment on your friend's status?
Sometimes I like commenting my friend's status.
Do you always confirm other people's addition?
No, I only confirm the ones I know.
Can you practice your English in Facebook?
Of course, I often make status in English.
What kind of status do you often post?
Whatever, I will post in if the view accept it.
Sure, you can do it. Thanks for your time.